Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Identical twin sister Jalen April Crawford and Janelle and Leopoldo, age 30, experienced miscarriages at the same time. Jalen, from Arizona, has polycystic ovarian syndrome and had an unviable ectopic pregnancy, whereby the fetus grew outside the womb. At the same time, her twin Janelle from California had a miscarriage, which she experienced again at a later stage. Jalen and Janelle then ended up getting pregnant again simultaneously. Twins tend to do most things together, but sisters Jalen Crawford and Janelle Leopoldo have taken it to the extreme, giving birth on the same day at the same hospital within hours of each other. Their C-sections were performed by the same doctor in Arizona, with the pair deciding among themselves which of their bubs would be born first. Everyone always asks how we decided who got to go first. Jalen told Good Morning America, "Since my husband only had a few days of paternity leave, Janelle offered me to go first so we would have extra hours with him. Also, I'm 2 minutes older and found out I was pregnant 4 days earlier, so it made sense." Janelle says the family is very close and the sisters spend lots of time together. Our husbands joke, if you marry one, you marry the other, in the sense that we love being together so much and talking so much. We feel when we're apart, there's a piece of us missing. Our kids already feel this bond as well, she said. The sisters, who both gave birth to boys, Bryson Ryder Crawford and Jace Allen Leopoldo, said they often spoke of having babies at the same time. "I don't think I ever imagined how special it would be until the journey began," Janelle said. While Jalen says she felt pregnant easily, it wasn't the same journey for her sister, who used IVF. The birth of the sisters' boys is bringing joy to the family, who had to endure the heartbreak of losing their older sister Jennifer to an asthma attack. The twins also endured 3 miscarriages between them. "We said Jennifer was in heaven and would pick our 2 babies for us," Jalen said. Determined to have the whole family together, Jalen approached her doctor and asked if it would be possible for them to both deliver on the same day in Arizona. With their due dates so close, the doctor said it wouldn't be a problem, so they packed up and went to Arizona 6 weeks before the big day. In June this year, Jalen gave birth in the morning and Janelle in the afternoon, with their whole family waiting there to meet the babies. Jalen, who now has 4 children, has completed her family, but Janelle, with 3, said she's not quite there yet. "I know she and her husband want 4 kids as well, so they're not done," added Janelle. In another similar story, identical twin sisters due within a day of each other. Identical twin sisters Katie Colling and Nikki Stevens have always been close, and now, in an incredible coincidence, they're due to give birth within a day of each other. The Melbourne twins are both expecting boys in October and admit that they had a feeling they'd both be pregnant at the same time. Katie and Nikki, both members of the Mums Grapevine Spring Dew group, got married last year and say they knew they wanted to start trying for babies straight away. Funnily enough, once we both went off the contraceptive pill, our periods actually synced up within a day of each other. So we knew if we were going to try at the same time, our due dates would be close, Katie explained to Mom's Grapevine. "We were both just really lucky we fell pregnant on the first try. We always talked about having our kids around the same time because we always liked the idea of them growing up close in age. We just never thought that we'd be this close." Katie says she and her sister have always been very close, from childhood into impending adulthood. "We were always in the same class in school, had the same group of friends, and both worked at the same Kohl's for our first job. We also do some things differently though, like sports or after-school activities, but we've always remained close. Now being adults, we're pretty much the same. We see each other most days of the week, go to the gym together, and do grocery shopping together. We do have different jobs. I'm a nurse and Nikki's a teacher, but we call or text each other every day still." Both 29 weeks pregnant, the pair is due on October 10th and 11th and say this has been by far the biggest twin coincidences of their lives. "We did both get married in the same year, but it was almost 12 months apart. Same with our engagements and buying houses. Close, but about a year's difference. Our husbands actually get confused as brothers from time to time too. People often think we married twins, but they were really good friends before we met them as we went to school together." Katie and Nikki have shared many firsts together, but the sisters say going through pregnancy together has been the most amazing experience. It's really been something very special. We both see the same obstetrician and are booked into the same hospital to have our boys. So it's been nice to compare notes and have someone going through the same experience. As we're so close, it's made our relationship even stronger. And we both really look forward to sharing the challenges of motherhood together. Our mom is also over the moon about having 2 grandchildren at the same time. It's our parents' first grandchildren, so they're very excited. And for them, it's like having twins all over again. The pair say they've compared baby names and luckily have both chosen very different monikers for their little ones. We can't wait to see if these little boys decide to arrive on the same day. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.